Alright folks, well, we're finally getting a video out to you. Last upload I had put on here on YouTube was a tillage video, and after that video I was either just too unbelievably busy with running my business, or it was too wet. And as you guys can tell, it is still plenty dampish out. So, you know, it's not that I don't want to upload videos, it's just, you know, the timing wasn't right. So that was why there's been delays, even though I've said that, you know, I'd be better about uploading videos. Well, there's simply just been nothing to upload. As you can probably tell, we've been trying to wait for it to dry up a little bit, and we have these little sinkholes, these little low spots right here that, you know, are kind of scary. But other than that, the other 99% of the field is actually pretty dry. So I just got here with, not this truck, but the truck over here on the other side, that one up there by the road. Got that one up here. Dad's loading this one right here. When he gets this one full, I'll hop in the combine and start filling that one. So, but anyway, yeah, just to kind of give you guys a general idea of just what kind of conditions we've been dealing with. It's been interesting having to fight the mud and fight the water, and got one semi stuck already this year. And thank God that's the only thing we've gotten stuck this year, and that was way before it was even really all that wet. So we're gonna go ahead and get ourselves a harvest video here for you guys to watch. And honestly, not really too sure if this is gonna be the only one, or if I'm gonna be able to get another one uploaded or not. It'll just kind of depend on my work schedule, and it'll also depend on if Mother Nature keeps on you know, sending us these nice sunny days. It's unfortunate we couldn't have days like this all the time, but just kind of make things interesting. So we're gonna go ahead and get things rolling here, and we'll get back to you here in just a little bit. All right, guys, so made it up to the combine. We're gonna run over here and do some shelling real quick here. And I don't know if we'll get this off yet tonight. It's corn's going about 175, which is all right for up here. We've had better corn, but Mother Nature was being her normal self this year, so corn didn't have ideal growing conditions like we usually have up here. But I don't know if it's all gonna fit on the truck tonight, or the trucks, I should say, both trucks. Elevator's open for about another hour, so the only thing we're gonna be able to do is just fill both trucks, and then it'll be close. I don't know if it'll all fit. Probably have to come back sometime tomorrow and probably shell off one load and then move to the next one. So, all right, so go ahead and get things started here. Well, right now we're running about 4.2 mile an hour, 4.3, somewhere in there. Running the head around 500 RPMs. Cylinders running 360, 370, and then, hold on, whoops, wrong button. Got the clearance set about 33, so that's what we're running this at right now. Based off of what I saw when I was running with Dad earlier, it was leaving a pretty clean sample. out here in the middle of the field, hell, it's not too bad. But you get up here on there on the headlands, there's some water laying up there. It's definitely soft. And then there's another spot out here to the left. There's a pretty nasty wet hole out there. And I don't know what it's going to be like over here by the tree line. That'll be kind of interesting to see. So, corn's doing just good enough to where we got to dump every round. We go down, we go back, and you're damn near full. Not quite full enough, but full enough to where you can't make another round. Probably make about half a pass going this way, and then probably get full, so then you got to stop, back up, turn around, and go towards the truck. So it's chilling every round. Don't got the manpower to run the grain cart today, so I mean, that's all right. It takes Dad about an hour to get back here with the truck. So about the time I'm getting the truck full, he's coming back with empty. So it really is no point in having the grain cart. Don't get me wrong, we'd like to have it up here, but like I say, we ain't got the manpower to run it. It's just me and my dad right now. Sister's down in Louisville at a pig show for her business. So we're getting through it just fine without the grain cart. So numbers are kind of all over the place right now. I'm seeing anywhere from 190 to 240 bushel corn, 252. That's the highest I've seen out here so far. I don't know what it was running out here. So yeah, it's just been one of them seasons where I can only do so much in the field. I've been real busy with running my business and whatnot. I usually don't get to the field until about 5:30 or so, and by that time either my sister was in the combine and Dad was trucking, or they didn't need my help. So I just kept on going and doing my stuff until it got fairly dark. Not dark like this, but the elevator, half the time it's only open till 7 o'clock, so this is the latest that I know that they've been open till is 8 o'clock. I'm not too sure if they've been open till 10 o'clock just yet. I'm not too sure. I'd have to ask Dad if they've been open late or not. They were probably open till 10 o'clock throughout the weeks that, you know, we weren't able to do anything. Go figure. That'd be about how our luck would go. Creeping up there to 176 almost. 16.6. The instant yield's doing really good. Up there we go, 176. Go ahead and show you the wet hole up here. Try to avoid that. Right there it is. A doozy back here, folks. Keep on out of here, folks, and then we'll get back at you here in just a little bit, see how much progress we make here in the time being. So go ahead and keep on shelling here and see how things go. Still got to dump every round. Corn's averaging about 178.4 right now. In fact, that's exactly what it's averaging, 178.4. There is another driveway over here, but I don't know if we're going to be able to get a semi down it through there or not. It'll be kind of sketchy if we do that, so I think we're better off just parking the trucks over here where we know we got a nice solid base and ain't gonna get anything stuck. So get on up here to the truck, get this unloaded. I almost got the front hopper full already, so once I start dumping on the front of this truck again, I'll probably have front hopper and probably have a little bit of corn up to the top in the back hopper. I don't know, we'll be close. Maybe not quite enough to get it to the top. Actually, now that I think about it, probably won't have enough. I don't know, we'll see what happens. Go around this weed patch here. Telling you what, these LED lights, I've said it before, they are something else. That is for sure. Yeah, I gotta get over a little bit more. As you guys can probably tell, I'm not the greatest at hitting the center of the truck. I got to do it a couple hundred times in a day in order to get a groove on, I guess. we'll put it that way. Also, it's because I'm making a video. Had I not been making a video, I probably would have hit that center of the truck dead nuts on. But because I'm videotaping, trying to make a video and look professional, didn't happen. Man, I'm all kinds of crooked. Need to get over a little more. There we go. So we got the LED lights up here on the front, and we got an LED light up there on the auger, and then the side light right there, and then we got another one on the other side. Oh, I see Dad's here with the other truck. Well guys, my GoPro's about had it for the night. It's only got a little bit of juice left. So I know it was a kind of a short one, but hey, you gotta make do with what you got. So I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments down in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have a quick second, hit that notification bell so you guys can stay up to date with what's going on here on the farm. And we'll see you guys on the next one.